How to add money to Cash App. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add money to your Cash App. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your home Cash App, and then you want to tap on the add cash option that you will see there on the screen. Once you do so, what you want to do is you want to enter in your amount, and once you enter in your amount, simply tap on the add option. Right, once you tap on the add option, the next thing what you want to do is you want to go ahead and tap on add, and then it will start loading up. Once it loads up and once your amount is added, you'll get the notice saying that you added particular amount to your Cash App. So this is one of the way you can add the amount to Cash App or add money to Cash App. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.